Welcome to FormBytes, our Lasernet video tutorial series, Lasernet License Manager Part 2. This video will show how to set up an offline activation request using Lasernet License Manager. When activating a license, an active internet connection is required to activate that license on the FormBytes licensing server. A response from the server then activates the license. This normal handshake cannot take place without an internet connection. So the ability to activate a license offline can be accomplished by using a request file. The process is to create an activation request file and then process it using the license manager on a server that can reach the FormBytes servers. This produces a response file that can then be processed on the original license manager. So let's demonstrate how to perform this process using License Manager. When you open License Manager, you will notice a red dot in the bottom left, which indicates that the licensing server could not be reached. So we need to create a request file. To create the request file, you need a valid license code for the developer or the service. The developer codes start with DEV and the service codes start with SRV. In this example, we'll use SRV for service. So go to Offline and then select Create Activation Request. Type in the license code and then save the request file somewhere memorable. The request file contains the license key, details about the server, the service that needs activating, and information on what type of instance it was. Once the request file is copied to a machine that has the license manager installed and that can reach the FormBytes licensing servers, the request can be processed. Click on Offline and then select the Process Request option. Select the request file from the original server and then save the response file somewhere where you will remember it. This step updates the FormBytes licensing server with information about where that code has been activated and returns details on what the license contains back into the response file to be imported. Back on the original server, after copying the response file back, open the license manager once more and then go to Offline and select Import Activation Response. This will import the response received from the FormBytes licensing servers and activate the selected instance. If needed, this can be then repeated for other instances. So using these simple steps, Lasernet on any server can be activated with or without an active internet connection.